Yes, so Shigi Jaguar. I like this guy talk. Very nice job. No music. Yeah. Carry last one. Facebook. No music for now. It's just maybe we do small talking. I salute you. I salute you very big. Now so happy Friday or blissful Friday to you out there. It's another day, and we need to do them sharp. Our contributions are very important. Which any way you think them, which any way you want to see them. As a living being, your contribution is very important. If you think you cannot, or you are not important, that is when your contribution will be useless to you or to the people you want to render the contribution to. As a living being, we are all important. Good afternoon. Depending on wherever you're going to be seeing this video from. And now, as I say, the thing, Facebook, then they block everything. Hey, this is my namesake. I salute you. Good afternoon. Anthony Andrew. We know they carry last. We are always blessed. Go and check that name. You will know where I'm coming from. Very great people that bears that name. I know say now afternoon we day. I want to carry small time of yours. So please, your ears and your time is very important. Make we share words small. Make we repair them together. Because if our papa, whether they call our forefathers, if to say they not just leave them for them. Today Nigeria for not do where they so. Because I say they leave them for them, now we do where we did so. I believe say we ourselves now I see you, I salute you afternoon. We ourselves now say our parents fuck up. So now so our children, I believe, I don't know the kind of word we they can use for us. So I think it's better now make we feast time. It's very important now so that make we feast time. We better bear the pain together now to take feast time than say we leave them. The man with the call Minister of Transport, I think whether I mention Abi Fashola, they get idea of they dream of having a toll gate in the federal roads in Nigeria. If they think about toll gate, I can't wonder, say, how come we just allow sick people, illiterate fools, to become Nigeria leaders? How we take for this victim? How we take allow this kind of people? It be like some of them now, you will see they will come out for media, call themselves president. They be like Nigeria president. You don't know what you not get me new, not get anything to contribute, not get anything at the add, but now want give yourself big name, and they always like better position. How can you, when you don't have what it takes to be a leader, you want to be occupying the position of a leader? That is why Nigeria is always going backward. See, people where we said now, they are our athletes, may they go run, may they go play football, they go do any, may they go participate for the sport arena. All of them, they fail because the ministers, the people who are supposed to head or supposed to fund their the sport or the game, they don't know what they do there. They don't even care, they don't watch anything, they don't even know what they are doing there. Their mission is always there to go and collect their own money. Minister of Transport, no road, but they think of how to get a toll gate. Toll gate all around Nigeria. Roads where there is no road. There is no road in anywhere in Nigeria. The only one where you will see, go check out, maybe na internal states, na then do one. So federal dreaming, thinking of how to still slot Nigeria people. You know what that one mean? For you to come get toll gate. The bus, your transport, public transport, who you be the enter cheap article, where we see a cost, it will not be acquire, will not be paid now. It go increase. Everything go increase. Like I tell you, they bring goods, they come from abroad. Now, problem to even carry and reach Benin City, carry and reach your destination when there is no toll gate. What about when there is toll gate? Not be dead. So a lot of things is going to become very difficult. How can you be a minister that you don't know what is happening on the road? There is no road to apply. So I can't see what this our brother for Akbese they do. I pray make the network here play.
Now our road now can't be the only road. The whole Igara town that they use motor they destroy everybody. We not even get peace for inside community where we did. They line up because the criminals where they watch over the gate. They don't turn out to toll gate, they collect money. It better make the cuckoo stop and see the kind truck where they follow like road where no reach two inches thickness. See on a federal road. This is the federal road. This is where they are supposed to be using. They not use them again. See them New Market Road. Now the signboard be done. Now Market Road they come to use now. See the kind tonnage where they pass our road. And everybody keep quiet. See?
Yeah, before I continue, I will use this one because I know Governor Obaseki, the people they are listening to me. That road, that road where you repair for that side now, you can see the kind trailer, the kind tunnel where they go past that road. I know said those people there now, and they put few people there making the monitor people the kind of road where they apply that road. Those ones now, that small blocking where they put around there now, they collect 3,000, 2,000. They allow big trailer, they come up for the express road where the federal, where the federal road. They come pass through that road where Governor Obaseki just do. And when you allow such a big trailer to they apply that road, now they say that road will die within the next seconds, and the government will be held accountable. By then, go bring bad name to the Governor Obaseki. So he has to quickly do something immediately on how to go and check that place, so that this very guy where they talk so he reach make he put on for something there where go become maybe one of the head to protect that area. And they see this boy, they say, I think the third time, how they fight against, how to see a community or a state become a blessing or a place where they'll call home. Even the road when the other man they do representative with House of Senate, the House of Assembly, we do nothing. We just they do road with ordinary, they do drainage without, we not get money. How the boy tell us trot that in. And I saw how Philip Shaibu, they go there, go quickly, they correct those things. So this one, you need to go there, see the road where you do for that area now. Whether it person. Igara, something Igara area. This is, see the kind road, the kind trailer, where they fly that road. Where will they pray say, governor do that day?
If una no go past the below, now here all of una go sleep. All of una go sleep here today. Me, I go sleep here, una go sleep here. Now my community be this, I'll go out, go chop.
Look at the road, trailer, they don't start to
be
destroyed.
Sleep here today. You don't get where una they go. The federal government don't tire. May they go fix road for now. This road not be federal.
Thank you, brother. If federal government don't tire. Now time to call on the 2KK drivers, all these bus drivers. Godine Dosa, Iyari, all transport. God's time. God is good. God, all of them. Una need to come out. Anything will make the Minister of Transport want put toll gate for road. Una need to hold them accountable. Make una destroy that toll gate. And una need to riot say that thing not go like get ahead. Because putting toll gate, I see Sapler be worry road that day now. Even the people there, they call on the governor of Edo State to come and fix the express road. And when the toll gate come now, Federal go they collect that money. And their plan is to say yes. In the toll gate, small cars go they pay 2,000. While the big one go they pay 5,000. Something of such. Then tell me now, once those money are be applied or added to the transport, whether to the transporters that applies or that carry passengers to their destinations, when those money being inflated into that they add to the transporter to be paying, who go they pay them? Now the bus driver be the KK driver, I go they pay them. Now you will be passenger. The market women will increase their crops. The fuel seller will increase their own. The power seller will increase their own because everything will become hard. So hard for the poor people, which we, the poor people, will be the one facing it. So I think it's hard time our bus drivers, our public operators need to understand, know where they be their right from their left. Make that they do the riot. As Fashola or waiting that they call a Minister of Transport, as they plan to come build toll gate for federal roads, una need to go see the road where we want build toll gate, but whether it worth it or not. So these are all nonsense. So that project will not be implemented. You people need to find any lasting solution to make sure say that will not get ahead. We don't need toll gate. Toll gate is very useless to a country where there is nothing is functioning. Hey, bro, I see you. They try to call on our own day gathering for meeting that day. Make I don't tell whether I see family reach. So maybe next time I beg inform me. So if not just they make I for call inside from video. Make I see faces. So if the people, we the people will not begin to do the right thing, we want live as our forefathers, our papa live as before. We want continue to live on the same way. Our children don't know what they will call us when their time comes. So we cannot allow these things to continue. So as this guy showed this thing to me, I surprised. He said yes. A road where they do where supposed to make a bicycle and keke nape and machine they pass. Now it don't become where trailer. They come off a federal road where Fashola or what it be named Minister of Transport one begin do toll gate for all the road. Road where be say now is useless to cars. It's even useless to leg, not to talk of trucks, not to talk of cars. So you want to do toll gates there. At the end, we heard that a lot of money have been budgeted on feasting of federal roads. Every time we hear allocation, we hear big amount where they want to rehabilitate or take feast federal road. At the end, none of the road is motorable. Then this man, Minister of Transport, we get off with his stupid head and want to come and tell you and me say they want to put toll gate. Then everybody now go say, nah, we not concern us, it not concern you. The other one say not concern us, it not concern you, not concern you. We are all the one going to be paying the bills and passing through the pain. Today, people they day traffic, they day inside bad road. The government, the officials, they are not there. They day inside private jets. If they even come, say then go blow siren pass. Everybody will come off for road, therefore they go pass with big jeep. Then the people paying the toll gate will be you. So you cannot be paying, you cannot implement anything that concerns toll gate into the system when it be said there is no road to be, there is no motorable road, there is no road for motor to pass. The roads are bad in Nigeria. Show me one among all the states, as all the states in Nigeria where they call federal. If it's too much, maybe now only one, now it go good. So the rest are nothing to write home about. So if they want to put toll gate, they have to go and feast all the road, then begin to think about toll gate. Without that, so all the bus drivers and every car owner need to protest and take that thing down. We don't need anything that called toll gate. Toll gate is useless for now if the federal cannot do the needful. So as I say I go come back. I know say a lot of things they happen. When you check Buhari and the other Jagaband, then they London now hospital in the country where they for come out. When you they look for the best doctor, hey, I see you, brother. When they look for the best doctor in the whole world now, Nigerians, And all the doctors were good, all of them there Western world. Our president, they go Western world, go they take treatment. And then they talk about COVID-19. We hear about money, about whether they bring into this COVID-19. In the process, doctors are on strike. Then when the COVID-19, the sickness come, who want to take care of them? The money where they award for the COVID-19, some people sit down, they share the money till they take care of themselves. They go, they build company for another mass country. Where be say when there is tax or there is confusion, you cannot hear about what happened. They close the company down, wasted resources and wasted funds. Then waste our money for no reasons. So my people, if these people, since there be people who not get money, they not get head. So it's hard time. We all need to take the bull by the horns by ourselves. Everything about Nigeria, we all need to get up by ourselves, fix it by ourselves, just as it is now. So no need for us to depend on these people. We already know, say, we get people where be say not get, where their head not they function. So these kind of people, if their turn of finish, I don't always talk these things. We need people that who are ready to build future. All these kind of people who we get now, they are not ready. So if we want to continue to die or they do anything possible to continue to keep these people, we are all making a big mistake. And that mistake will continue to deal with us in present, now, not later. Now. So if you can see the way things is, the way things they happen, a lot of things they happen. We be say we all need to fix together that we just close our eyes or close, we they pretend say not concern us. After us, we are okay. After all, we are all okay in our hideout or wherever we are, wherever we find ourselves. If you can go check the system today, you see a lot of implementation from the House of Assembly. A lot of things. Because you know, say for inside House of Assembly, now only you go hear who say nay, who say aye, and you go listen to them. Nobody they protest. The only thing where you hear from the president, they have it. And the rest people we talk, we say no, we say all of the plenty people who say they have it. They are always on their own, always doing things that pleases them. So this thing has to be understood by every Nigerians. If you check Ghana today, then they get free education. But Nigeria have all the resources, the wealth, anything you can imagine or think about, better than Ghana. But in Nigeria, with all these treasures we God they bless us, we are still nowhere to be found when it comes to better economies. So my people, if time reach, if we not like, we will still continue to go, they collect money, collect a gunje, they bring the bad people, make the call rule now. Say as we all they feel and as we they feel. But I think God go see and say yes. Some people like us, we say the way it is, and we not get hand for waiting that they get hand for. I always say this thing: if you carry people where be say they help write WAEC, people where bribe take pass take better mark for university, take come up from school say yes I'm a graduate today, I'm a graduate. I read the government, I read this, I read this, I read the economics. Go ask and how take pass in WAEC or in JAM. They help and write and then it can't become something. It can't be inside or top of something, because if you can't check most of the things where they happen for the country, they need to be questioned. All of them get question mark. Because you cannot be a graduate and be a minister of transport. When you check the whole road, check what the minister they do. Nothing they make sense. They don't want to make money. All of them are just zero. That means the qualification, whatever degree that is in your position, is not be your own. You know what time. Because you cannot be a minister of such a thing. Then you never bring any idea, plenty idea to the road. Make it be say, yes, everybody will apply the road. Then go they see something. They say, yes, this man, he really merits that position. Because if you check most of the people holding position in Nigeria today, they all have a question mark. Because if you check them, you'll hear this one, I be minister of this. Naim be this, Naim be that. At the end, go check the offices they are holding, nothing to write home about. Whether they represent, nothing to write home about. So that tells you, say, these people now, people with the help write a jam or give where you go buy mark or buy result with the they gala pose for everybody. Where everybody they see that they can't speak big English. They deceive you and me. Before I come to my state, because Edo State, Edo people, me, I don't fight well to make sure say Edo State become the best. My position for the sacrifice I have made to see Edo State become the best is bigger than most people out there who there those days they collect the Egunje or they enjoy today. Just as you go see that they come out today, they can't make noise. They can't make noise saying that there be this, now there be that. Waiting now they try to talk about for my state. I see some of my Edo people. Then they find it difficult to understand how to move forward because of greed. And they all lack wisdom. They all lack knowledge. Most of them, they look and say, just as the government previously we normally have say, now our turn to eat. Now my opportunity be this. I don't talk this thing tire. If you see and say now your opportunity to eat, at the end, the state waiting you sow go back to you, because there is no way, there is no amount of building or amount of car you are going to buy to come and use in that state, because they say if you want to really enjoy, you want to know what to be enjoyment for this life, go back to where you originate from and go back to where you come from. Because if you check everybody will live each or his or her own state, the purpose is to go and look for maybe a fund to establish, just a capital to establish, a capital to start life, a capital to become somebody. That be the purpose of most of everybody. Then where you're supposed to really enjoy that thing, that fund where you don't go struggle for, is where you come from. No matter how much you have it in the Western world today, you cannot get the real fund. But when you go back to where your origin, where you come from, you go understand what it before. There is a lot of things today now that you are in a Western world, you are in another man's land, even Africa country, that if you dare your state or your country or your where you come from, your village, the kind of fun or the kind of enjoyment or the kind of food or things, the things where you they eat or the way your family you they live with your family, you go see the real human being. Say yes, now you are fulfilled. But if you can't check and no matter how much you have, no matter how much you cook in a Western world, the whole thing always look like it does not make sense, because these things are inferior. These things you not go see what they call real natural thing, real thing where God take bless you. It's impossible. So waiting at the talk this one for, say because sometimes all these mistakes now waiting we all created because of greed. Yeah, my brother, you will wait first. Because of greed. So as it is, my Edo State people, I want to appreciate you now they try. But there's a lot of confusions everywhere today. Because I can't see say in these days, a lot of questions come the day. And the lives of the people will be say supposed to be fighting for us. Supposed to think and say, yes, what it be the mistake where our forefathers then do, where we need to correct. Now, sorry, somebody they tried to write me there, so I'm trying to reply. What it be the mistake where our forefathers then do, where we need to correct. These are the things we're supposed to concern us. We're supposed to affect us. Most of the mistakes, some of the mistakes today now we they repeat them. We they repeat them again. We they allow them to come back again. All because of greed. Our fathers, they drag for land, drag for land, drag for land, drag for land. At the end, they enter grave, they come out. They change to sand. They come out. Today, few people will be say, you can't get opportunity now. We're supposed to correct issues. They come there now. Don't do everything possible. Now, we will they media way get good heart. Now, him pave the way for them when they take get this position. Lives of them, Curtis Ewosa-Ogbo, Albert Obaze, and every other of them, we just them, Sapwino Wodis, and all of them, all these people, we pave way for them to get that position where they get today. Then to recently, I can't see, they see things where they happen. So I can't they feel and say, wait till they worry now. Wait till they really worry now. If you not check the state itself, things never reorganize itself finish. But una dey there now, always they focus on only una want quickly make for una self. Una want made una self. Una want make una self small God on Edo people, which is very bad. This thing when I dey talk about, I want to talk to una conscience. Make una know say, wetin we need for Edo, na just unity. Unity, one. May una become one. Not this kind of deviation. This one day on its own, the other one day on its own. There is no way you go see two captain for inside the what they call a boat. Where be say that boat go get direction. It's impossible. If una please, them about obaze osahwenon hodi kola dokpayi kotisego saugbo all of them. Make una share this message to them. I see you, bro. Yeah, well done, well done. God bless you. That is Solo, the great man, a man with good heart. Please share this video today. I know they're my friends for this thing. They go watch them. And I think we recently we now have Bishop the Apostle and a few other people. All of them don't they join into the struggle. Now we are not supposed to ask. I believe say most of the message that they dish out, if they don't lie to themselves, then they always listen to me. And then they hear that they pick message and then they pick sense, common sense inside of it, the messages. Which I know say yes, if they as they use them, there is no way they will not be blessed. These people now, confusion for no reasons. If you can go check, recently in the election of we electing Governor Obaseki, these people, they were team. Not too long ago, they become team. Make I ask you a question. Why not say that thing we will not fight for it become a reality? Albert, Apostle Alfred, Kola and Osahwenonhodi and the rest. Waiting make una say that team work. Because unity. Nothing say like about sometimes you go say in play fast or in look and say who get popularity they make him break them and in use them. No, that is childish talk. Una not go blame on a small pikin because small pikin must act as small pikin. But when you are mature, you will know that those words you can never use it. It's impossible. Just like as he go use that words against the Steelers. So in the reality, unity is very powerful. Because of that power, that unity, now make that thing where we take bring Governor Obaseki to power. But today, because of greed and ego, and you want to become lord over the other one, there is no way you want to make a trip with that idea and succeed in that trip. It's impossible. Make una drop this thing. Now, waiting our forefathers then do. We put us inside where we did today. We can't be say now illiterate. Now they rule Nigeria. Now people will be say not get the get waiting that knowledge or get waiting they're supposed to get or supposed to get that position and they can't handle the position. It's like as the Yoruba and the Igbos, because of say make certain people or people with other tribe not carry that position, they prefer to give it to Hausa. They not do it, then give it to Hausa, thinking say they will be using them as mogul, as they were before, not knowing say they will come wise. So the same thing today. Now I want to now. Now they come media now come they fool on ourselves, forgetting say it's just 8 years or 4 years. Election go pass. Una want create enemies, create confusion for the land. Then the people, we will be say, you do everything to make sure say this thing come to reality. Say Edo State become a blessed land. That God has already blessed the land with all you can ever imagine, everything that is good. He put them in Edo State. Now, instead of now to team up, make we still say yes, we still get people who will still say yes tomorrow, as we they say today, because now me they talk. all the people wey dey hold better position wey dey inside PDP and APC, if we not do anything, we supposed to find a very big hole, go drop all these people, pour sand, they bury them. Because the reason of this, those ones will be say hold better position, and you, at the end, we not see anything good in that office where then they hold. They're supposed to be dig inside that hole and pour sand and cover them. All from PDP and APC, whatever position they are holding. Where they not use them, misuse them, mismanage them, they're supposed to be poured inside that hole. If you ask me a question, I will tell you the reasons. How can you be a leader, a national chairman, the other chairman, the other representative, the other minister, the other one, and with all this name, big name, and you go check that office with the whole or that portfolio or whatever they are, that position they are holding, nothing to write home about. Their mission there were just to go there and embezzle and embezzle and embezzle. You go hear them say, for Western country, they get businesses, they get houses, they get this. Forget to say the next seconds if they die, all these things become useless. Those things that they will carry that money to go and invest in that Western world in another country, nobody will ever identify or know where those things is. Those things will become lost. Who lost like that? Is it not Nigeria? Is it not you and me? Or because of say this person hold that position? At the end, the children self, when they give birth to, cannot even know where all those property is. Even the one where they still know, they will begin sell those property cheap article. And that money at DB, as they say, they want to build refinery. They want to do this. They want to do that. And they really spend those money on those things. Today, are we supposed to still be carrying our things to the Western country, our oil, to go and be refining in the Western world, Western country? So, my people for Edo State, these people, when I make sure, when I not remember all their names, so make una understand one thing. Una they try to fight each other, like Albert and in one find trouble on the issue of this land grabbing issues will come up. They try to drive towards so many things now. Oh boy, understand one thing. These people were with you. Una speak one word, then make Governor Obaseki come into power. Then make everything work. You might say my name. You go here say this one go say build the name. Then make me ask una then. I still like what we call like Dr. go do for that whether that boy where then they call him Joker. Where be say yes, you go arrest him. That is a good thing. You do good thing there. I appreciate that. Whether no I call like no, I appreciate that because Esa and Edo na one. So one person not fit come out, one can't use everybody here till they hit each other. So it's better to remove the person, put them for one place. For 1 million people to call they fight each other because of one person, because of mismanagement of words where they come out from his mouth, then you can't take everybody head where be one, can't they take their head, they hit each other. So it's better to remove them. Say if now this if now I go make you not serve God, plug the eye, come out. So remove that person, put them for where it belongs, so that peace go there. So every other person where they can't talk, if you as then they talk and these people they talk and say my name when I don't repent, make somebody not come spoil them. If now you, that guy they can't speak against, as they speak against the Oba of Benin, you go like him. So if you know say you not go like him, make person spoil your name, and you can't come out, you want to defend such a person. You in short, waiting go hit you go pass, waiting they talk come out for, waiting that guy they talk come out for man that cause. So these few people. Make una understand one thing. Like Apostle Alfred now, he don't decide, say yes. If he be bad person before, he don't decide now, say yes, he want to become good person. Because one thing, it be like about 2 days ago or be 1 day ago. They say yes, he can apologize to all the pastors, everything we don't insult, we don't do this. In all the costs we cost, he don't return them. I can't say it made them forgive me. I can't write one thing, and I believe say he see me, no say not me. I can't say with those ones with the truth where you still talk, you still dey beg for forgiveness. If you talk truth, you don't need apology. You don't need anybody to forgive you on that. Because if God forgive you and God accept you, now better pass a man forgive you. So waiting, I only drive. Why I write that inside the program? Why I write that make I tell them today, because I know say they watch me most time. Reason why I write that when I write. Now true, you tell those men of God. So you don't need apology from them. Because it's better to say it the way it is than you try to please man. If you try to please man, you dismiss God. So you are in big trouble. Displease man than you go displease God. Or you love man, love God. Let them be equal. Those people, just like as I talk about, there's a verses or chapter people are talk about in the scripture. Uzziah, the wife was a good discourager to Uzziah. He never one day encouraged or helped Uzziah. She was always there being a problem, but God still give him as wife. For a reasons. No, by God alone. Because now God see everything. So one of these days, I will continue to preach and to speak the word of God to you people, so that you people will understand where now for they go wrong when it comes to the things of God. Not try to please man, say because of me go to disappoint God. It's impossible. If you tell them the truth, I think the truth will help them fast and fast. We help them to deviate from that their evil way. When you talk about saying now government, now it's supposed to they build their streets, supposed to do this. Check this out now. Kareli, land grabbers, all these people, they say, hey, we don't sell land, our community don't open. If government no tie road reach that community, you now for they sell those lands, you now foresee one can develop una village, you now foresee one can buy land there. No, the government has already paved way for the place to be open. Not for the place to be open for you to be selling the land. You're supposed to reserve those land. Let those land be. So that the people in it go start to think of what to do that can bring help to the citizens. Because the moment you sell the land, people will want to rush because of una way BT for Kareli, land grabbers. Way be so na not get future, na not they think about tomorrow. Because of una, the people who want to quickly arrest structure, they want to quickly put something on the land so that make una not resell down. Now inside there you go see say, if you reach a door now, those state now, you go see building, either duplex, 4 flat, 1 small house, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, face me and face you, small apartment, stores, now make those things remain like that. New area, it still remain the same way. It still be like ancient city. They undermine it, they call it ancient city because of that same building where our papa they built. So the same thing now, people want to hurry to come and go and quickly put something on that plot so that make una not resell them. They go quickly go, they put small houses. Quickly go, they put what they're not supposed to put. This one not supposed to be their ideas. Mostly people where they outside the country. The people where they outside the country, they don't see things. So their mission or their plans was not to say, so machine like this when I see or when I get, make I bring and come. I will come think of how to build one factory. When I'll tell they produce or tell they manufacture or tell they create something. Now be the purpose of buying that land. But now, because of una where they thief land, where they grab land, where they thief the land, where they steal everything for that community, they will want to quickly do something. Now say, cause development, you can't put 2 bedroom flat. You can't put 1 bedroom flat or the one thing where be say not go make sense. You can't put down for the land. Before you knew it now, time is gone. That money where you can't invest on that thing now, where you can't they rebuy from una. That money would have helped him to save that money so that you can't use and put better thing where the community go later they benefit from. But that money is now useless, it's waste. You see somebody who can't waste 40 million, can't waste 50 million, 20 million on just 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom flat, just because of una, which is not making sense. We're not supposed to have a rethink. Because somebody will buy land, where they outside the country, he must be thinking of something where he go do tomorrow with the land. Now, so it's supposed to be. Since, because some people don't understand, say, Then they always they call on government. The Western country, the people in the Western country, government has been in charge from the beginning. The reason why I want them to go dig all these our politicians put for inside grave, now be this. The government have been in charge since day one. But in Nigeria issues, it's individual. A nigga and individual, the people, the citizens. Now then they develop, now that they take care of their own selves. Now so everything be right from time. So we cannot compare those things. So for these reasons, these few individuals now you are fighting yourself in the public domain. Make a call from the same party, because I don't know the party when I can call them. The same body. Waiting on they fight each other for. I know the name. They thief people land they sell. Such a person supposed to have been eradicated out of the land, because at the end there is no way this person will give birth to a better children. When I meet children, not a biological children, the friends or the boys will want copy them, because we as a human being, you grow from area, you want copy. See this man where he rich, how he rich. Everybody want to copy and imitate him. Before you knew it, everybody will begin to do like him. That is why you see all the kind of people, where such people they produce, they do the same thing like him. They continue to sell land without no plan, no vision. I don't talk this entire. Because I watch a Emmanuel Agbogun show. I see how they talk about land grabbing in social area, which all those names I not remember them now. If true, you don't enter the position where you call hold now, you know me. The position where you can't hold now, you can't say yes. Now true, this guy they talk. You really start to go to sell land, because you cannot hold position in area of palace when you're supposed to be protecting the state, those states. You can't join the sell land. My brother, quit. Ugbo, quit. Don't join the sell land for those states. Because I like the fight. When you write, say you fight about how maybe the one can they oppress Edo people. How you take the fight time, true you the fight time. I like that one. Continue to fight that one, so that let them understand, say, them be our guests. So make them stay in that position. Just as we go the north now, go every other state now, we always stay the position where we will be. Visitor now will be, and there we go, we remain. If we come our area, those states will become landlord and landladies. So fight that thing, say yes, make them understand, let them see and say this is their position. As somebody that who except say they come marry born, they'll come become maybe the same family. But say they don't get any idea of that now, just to come also for those states to come also come out again, and they remain say yes, they be social tribe. They don't marry a do person. They don't marry maybe between their do or whatever. So they can't still marry themselves. Now then themselves they still did. So they are still our guests. But once they don't marry or whatever, now say they don't be family. So they get right to they claim land for that too. Since they are a do person, don't mix blood with them. But if you are fighting the fight to say yes, these people understand where they belong, I think I appreciate that one. But if you join, they go they sell land. You and some chief, you can't go put hand with some chief, they sell a do land. When it be say now self finish, there is no plan to take get street light. There is no plan to create one fabric or one factory. Where be say those people before they use that land they carry farm. Because now villages now they develop so. As government they carry road, they reach there, the place go can't develop. That village before now pineapple and banana, gari, nyam, now they produce there. Now these people, if you can't check on that, they not get anything to produce again. So if you now, so now say the land finish, you now not think of how to begin put things where BC go become a thing where they'll go they work, or where they'll feed the hustle, come they work. Now not get all this plan. Please quit, not join hand, sell land. Curtis Ewosagbo, remove your hand. Remove your hand at those states. Because if you talk about people who really fight, now people like me, make sure say the fight when I don't fight to see at those states, get peace is very big. Because we know they talk. We just they do our own thing the way we they do. So please, Albert Obaze and Uyinosa, Apostle Uyinosa, and Sahunokwodi, and every other person will be say concerned. Please, if we feel come together, put Governor Obaseki for power. I want that unity to continue. Now me no pass. Now me no pass. It lead us to nowhere. It will still give us the same problem. Because it will be too bad or too stupid to say we are where we from come out now we still there. Just like the people who go around for relay for us that day. When they come out, person come out first the second time. From the third time we begin carry, we go back to where we come from. So now so it be when there is confusion like this. We now they begin confusing ourselves, we now begin challenging ourselves with puzzle. Now me they always tell Ojo Zagi, why you they carry Edo people they go Lagos? Which you know. I'm convinced a lot of people, millions of people where they can't really see reasons with my messages. Today now, I see say now you, they carry people, they go Lagos. Edo people now, they carry them, they go Lagos. You they carry them, they go. You say Edo state, no, their state, they don't want to invest because of fight, community fight. As position we now hold now. Go check people like Ohen and other people where they sell land. They are few in numbers. Very few in numbers. And these people, they are selling land or they are seizing people's land because of ignorance. They don't know what they are doing. So it's now as una say get more education rich. Now turn now to start to team together. People like the likes of the Apostle Alfred and Sahunokwodi and Emmanuel Agbogun and the rest. Now turn now to focus on a light on these people to begin fetch these people out. There is no way people outside the country go see so now they fight this kind of fight we they not go support. Because well now they talk, just like you they talk, say now not be people abroad they develop and you about I hear that word for your mouth. Now shut up, now you go shut up your mouth. If not be people outside the country, I don't think nothing would have been functioning. Even the people itself where they say yes that they get money for the land. Go check. If we say we begin trace how they make that money, now still outside the country. That's the whole thing they come from. So now for these things now not to be happening, I want you to collect sense from these messages. From these things not to be happening. For Edo State to come be like Lagos, with the kind of power you 4 or 10 of una or 20 of una 100 of una get now, it's our time make una think, use tongue, can't una teach for mouth. Waiting be the error. Waiting be the reason why be say people they come up from Edo State, they go other states, go they invest. Why be say now you they carry people, they go inside Potopoto, inside river, because of say they want use sand and concrete cover and now. Korea, Japan, all those places where they see say water they control where people houses today. Now this same kind of place where they go carry people go build house for Lagos. Now so that side be that time. Now so they go build on top. But when the water, the earthquake or the water one come, those places now the water they quickly they consume. Now you they hear millions of people they die. Now those kind of places now where you want go build house, where you want carry and people go they invest on. Now those kind of places. You see recently for inside the what to be name for Lagos there. When water come recently, you see the whole fraud. It begin chase everybody away from that beautiful place for Eko, for Lagos there. Why are those names go away from me? Water begin chase everybody because water don't already did the ground. So once any small thing just happen there, the water go, the whole houses go become useless. Those billions upon millions go become useless to them. But Edo people, Edo land, God bless Edo land. So you can dig anywhere, start to build house. There is no Russian, there is no earthquake, there is nothing tomorrow, years to come will become the problem of those people. So the only problem where we get now the lives of people like Ohen now, and all this land grabbing, now be the problems where we just get. That you people now supposed to think, what we go do now to stabilize Edo State? Okay, these people, if not the government will be say can't go create road, go reach that village, go reach Amagba, go reach go reach all those places. Today, those places would have not opened. Those places, these land grabbers, there is no way they go use their own money, take carry caterpillar, come carry grader, come carry people say yes, make them start to tie road. It's impossible, not to talk of say they want to put light. It's impossible, apart from when the government do that. But once government has already paved way, you will see them. Now only to come degrade the inside where they want for sell land, or the area of the land, they will start to degrade those areas. Without grading them now, begin mark them out, 100 by 100, 1 by 2, 2 by 10. They will begin mark them out for sale. Pay, just grade one road, say yes, see road, go see and go reach tie road. Go see this road. You don't, if from here to tie road where government tie. Where government tie go past that area. Now you begin use them until they sell land. Then after selling the land, there is no plan say you want tie any street where you grade. All you just do is just to sell the whole land. Now these people are supposed to be your focus. All of you now. All these kind of people are supposed to be your focus. If country say, what's our boy still join people they say supposed to be your focus as Emmanuel Agbogun talker. All these kind of people are supposed to be your focus. Una channel, una camera, una light towards all these people. We not feel they carry our people go another state because of say our state, those state people. We get few elements where we say they thief land. They sell land for they sell one land for 10 people. They get power for police station. He get power for palace. These kind of people. Now, these kind of people who are supposed to focus, not supposed to focus on. Put time for media, begin sell land out for media. So man, give her a name, call him name, so that we go get maybe opportunity to reach so person. We go begin send the message to the right person. We be say go come mark these people, put them for where they belong. But for you now to say, those people, those states, because of land grabbing, you don't get many land. Today, they not let you build that because of land grabbing. Who are these people? When the government, this PPP law now, before even the law self, when so now know, una really do the right thing. Una focus like this, team together, say yes, wait it be a those state problem. Why development not go come at those state? Why be say companies, no they can't do something for a those state? Why be say people not they like to invest something where be say tomorrow they'll feed they employ people for a those state? Wait it be the problem. Now because of say tasks where then they give them, or now because of say some people, some chiefs, some boys, chief children, they just think for one place. They say yes until you can't settle us. Just like the one Mr. Philip Shaibu, our deputy governor, talk. He say so people like this, they plan to come invest on that community. To come do something where be say even the community go benefit from. Business where one couple for there where the community go benefit from. Some of the nigga, then they there where it's supposed to be a father, role model, people who are supposed to bring development or supposed to put something for their children, their village people to they benefit from. They stay one corner there, they say, yes, until these people can't give them whether 5 million or give the social amount before they will allow them to come invest that, to come put that company for that community. Is that not the kind of people who are supposed to focus on? Now supposed to now be the people. Now be government. Now government is just to come and go. But now they remain. These kind of people supposed to say, yes, deputy, where team be that community? Who be the that enogi? We want know. Everybody go team together, carry that enogi, give them better 24 stroke of cane, so that next time that enogi go quickly hide themselves where they be they get the same, they be they think of such thing. Because these are now waiting our forefathers and do. We be say today we can't do where we did so. We be say no development in Edo State. We they can't blame every year in year out. We they blame the new government, which whereby this whole problem now we constant by ourselves. Just like that our brother for Ekpekpe we be say the road where governor Obaseki they just tired. They see that way they go past the road. Now the federal road when Minister of Transport want go put toll gate. Those roads is not motorable. Now the road where they say community. Now people from federal road they go when they want to go penetrate on road where be say not reach a 2 distance where be say the quota they put there not reach a 2 lengths. They want go they carry heavy duty trailer. They pass that road. Not be that road go back go spoil pass as if it be before. So now, una focus now supposed to be on such people wey be say they chase people who want to develop una Edo State out. Begin ask question. Una come out for media. Just as una they do and they come out them Apostle Alfred, they say yes. If you know say they cheat you, bring the topic to us. Tell us, let us know. If you know say they sell land for you anyhow, they rob your land. This one's supposed to be una work. Not be say tell us, make una call they give them B, or make una call they charge anybody. Who want to bless you, go bless you. You not feel come fight for somebody finish. Say yes, you can't do the needful. Una not need court. Una not need, since you know they fight a genuine fight. Everybody go must put hand for una back. Trust Edo people. Edo people are ready to work with anything that is good. So everybody know how you go take. Una money go dey. Una see say now people go dey bless. People will they bless una. Una not need government. Una not need police, because police, for once they come out from every other state, they not build house. Once they enter Edo State, policeman go come they get house. Policeman will come they drive cars. Policeman will be belle be small, go come get big belle. Every money will start to they come once they enter Edo State. So all these people now, they are always the corrupt once they reach Edo State, because those same people like land grabbers, they are ready to give policeman 1 by 10. Give policeman, once they hear saying that this policeman are DP or a commissioner, they are ready to bribe him with Ghana must go, full with money, so that make it shut up. And true, policeman was supposed to fight genuinely, supposed to stand for the truth. He go start to corrupt, he go begin go backward. Make sure saying why all those suffer where they suffer for that state before, go come at those state call rape everything within 1 second. Because he know say he just come, he go come serve, come out again. So we not need all those kind of people. Because the state now na state. So if una fight genuine fight, focus your camera or your channel or your light towards on waiting make Edo State not develop. Some few chiefs children, because I dey always tell una these things. If una want check where our problems start from, I don't talk am. I talk and say from our school, primary school, from go reach our chiefs, our parents by ourselves. Because you go know say this pikin on no book. You go carry money, they look for person wey go follow and go write in JAMB. Go follow and go write in WAEC, make it for pass enter university. And you know say this pikin not get the qualification, he not get the idea. Now you go do everything possible to make sure say you take bad result, make that your pikin get mark to enter university. At the end, all of the pack go university. Inside university, now pikin will be say not ready, you dey force am, or where you no reach na capacity be that. You dey force am make can't know more than that. He go reach inside university, go become courtists, go become political talks, later become nothing. At the end, you will come here say you don't graduate. Such person now, you can't go give one position of a minister, position of chairman, position of governor. You go see say the state at the end, now still the same way when take grow come out. Because they get that position. Now say go take manage Edo State resources. Now say go take manage the system. Now say go take manage the office. Corrupt way and useless way. That is where we are today. According to Simbajo, where we are. So all those things now be our mistakes. Until we start to correct all these things. As then they say in the scripture, give to Caesar what is Caesar, and what is God is God. So make we understand, say, if truly as a community manager or whatever you are, you not get plan to tie the road, you not get plan to feast, to do light, to do the needful, you're not supposed to hold that position. I don't tell you now the truth. There is no way you be good mechanic, you be good tailor, you be good carpenter, you be good architect. You go there inside bush, inside forest, inside village, and your road is tied. Good network. Once you put on for internet the job where you do, somebody in the north is here. He go tell you, say, I am coming. I need you. I am coming to see you. Why? Because he knows a road there to pass reach there. But once you don't know, say there is no road to pass reach there, how will you put a good mechanic now in the internet he go put am for internet, and the road are bad. And you now, when you want to go repair your motor for that mechanic, where you know the job, where you know how to repair that, he really get the knowledge to fix that car. But you now, when you want drive, go there. The road where you want drive pass, it better self maybe they use the motor like that than say you go drive past there, because that road go give that motor more than the problem where you carry go meet that mechanic. So how will you go to that mechanic? How will you go to that carpenter? How will you go and meet that tailor? How will you go and meet that hairdresser? How will you go and meet that guy that who has the knowledge to create, to manufacture? How can you get to that place? That person knowledge, only that road go make that knowledge become useless to even himself. He himself not go even know, even identify saying get that knowledge because of there's no connection. There is nothing that will bring people to him. So those things, before he knew it, he himself go abandon it. Even the one way he be built, he go abandon it, because there is no way people go get to there, can penetrate or to get to that direction. It's like some villages today. If they uproot Gary for ground, very big. If they put cassava for ground, very big. If they put plantain for ground, is big. All kinds of crops, they get them for all that village. The only person where they feel reach there, maybe before he reach there, who die better person? Maybe na truck he carry the go there. Who die better person? Then every other person wey want try that same road, they go look and say that road, man, I not they go that road. I not go that village. Then be say them be get better pineapple, better plantain, better food, food, better anything. They be get things, everything for that village. But the road to there, if you say you drive that road, if you go buy things there, how you want to carry that thing out of there? It's impossible. So those things now, tell me now, how those food now go become useful to the people where be say farm the farm. That first place, you don't already kill the idea, and you don't already demoralize that person to become irrelevant to himself, because those food items will rotty for I go to see them. Who the one we carry tip or trailer go buy those things. They will still say the food go there inside bad road, go there for how many days? It go rotty on top of them. The million way to go buy the thing will become useless. Then now, as people where they thief land now they sell land. None of them they think of say, let's talk to all this ROCC or all this way they build road, where they do road. How much on our feet take tie this road? Waiting on our feet do to take tie so road to our village. Because the problem where now they get, once they just tie road, reach village, everybody don't begin sell the land. Everybody don't begin sell the land. Everybody don't enter a land seller. You don't begin sell land. Everybody want drive jeep. Come carry plot 1 by 2. May you give me 1 jeep. May you give me 1 car. Come carry my plot. May you carry me go abroad. They forget say, as that road reach there, wait till you just need. Go they do that your cassava farm where. Go they do that your Gary pineapple farm where. Go they do that your banga farm where. Once you reach time for you to harvest, bring them out. You go see say, put up for internet. You go see say, now you go write and say yes. To get to where my crops or my pineapple is, my banga is, or wherever, or cocoa is, it will take you just 10 minutes, 20 minutes. You will be here. You have a good road to drive. Any kind of truck you want to come with, you have good road. Just write and put. My cost is not too high. Come, I get 1 trailer load for you. You go see say the next seconds this people go begin boom. Everything go begin boom. These people where they village not gonna want come town. They not want become a land grabber seller, land seller. Those things now where then they do that farm, those things. Those land where then be they sell, one come build 2 flat, 3 flat, duplex, 4 flat put. Those land now will become their own business center. Go become their own land where be say go they produce money. Not because if you go build 1 flat there, go build 1 thing there. You they say make you they sell, you don't sell the land. You go build 1 house, put there. You don't already block treasury. You don't block money. There's no amount of house where you want to build there tomorrow. You go produce money rich like say you carry farm, put for that land since you have a good road. I dey talk to una wey be say una don't see and say village just come develop the road because of say government just tie road pass una village. Now the next thing una dey see and say development don't come. Una begin sell all the lands. Farm where people take the carry land, where people take the carry farm. Una begin sell them. Una know they get sense to think. Say those land because of certain road pass there. It not be say road pass there, make you come begin sell land. Road pass there so that make people where they carry farm, make una go touching una bet. If na nyam you they carry farm, they farm and where. If na plantain, if na sugarcane, do and well. Now you have a channel, you have the world watching you. Your produce will produce money for you. You go fit come build house for town. You go fit send your pikin go school. But if you sell that land, they come build one flat, two flat. Come build one kind of building. You reach village, you say, see my village on the go see houses within my village. Come see houses within my village. Those houses, there is no way that houses go produce money rich like farm produce. And they tell you now, when you worry going on because of say the government just tie road or can't carry like pass on our street, una can't see and say yes, this one and development. It's time for us to begin sell land. Me, I come from Ode. If I see they decide whether they go sell my land for my village or where I did, I'm there to fight it to the last fight. Those land, they fight make road good so that that farm where you they carry go become blessing. The richest people in the Western world today, na farmer, Emmanuel Mugbo or Rifise. Farmer, Emmanuel Mugbo, na tomatoes farm, na vegetable farm, na the other farm, na they be the richest people. You see a whole family, they go come build farm house for inside farm. They use their farm to the farm, and they will have the best money. Then the rich pass. They live the best life. So, but for Edo State, once government just tie road past village, the next day, all of them start to sell the land. They go build 2 flat, 3 flat, 1 flat. See that one at development. Go see mama, this person don't come pull bar for here. They don't come build the hotel for here, for our place. Our place don't get. No. If government, as government enter, waiting that they call on this place now, wait, those are Magba area. Where they waiting they call this place again. Where they go, government go put rubber this thing or go they put, there's a company, light and every other project where you bring in there. Everybody, they, instead of them now to think of say, why not use that land, the farm where you the farm on, maybe you continue. But they think of how to quickly build house. Those factory government build go remain there. Your farming go continue. Tomorrow, when I don't sell all the land finish, now come they say no job. Farmer will be the farm before. Go come they say no job. My pikin just graduate. He don't see money. He don't see job place for work. Not knowing. Say now you now. Now I disorganize. Now I sack them. Now I take job from them. So the team we una fight together, Abatobaze, Sapuna Hodi, Apostle Alfred, and all of them. They could know one thing. If na come media, come they show Mosu. I don't want to blame this one, I don't want to blame the other one. I don't want to say this, I don't want to say that. Now no permission for media. Make una team together. This thing when I just talk now is very powerful. Una mission now supposed to be on the people that really important. Make una really focus on the people who are important. Make una focus on the people who are important. If una focus on the right people, I think the sky will be our limit. The sky will be your people's limit. Sorry for that little breaking transmission. I beg una, and I tell una we just stick together now. una don't start to use it till they hit it una self. If una don't know what una they do, make una wake up from una sleep, una slumber. Because this month, it get power where. This una talk una they talk till they confuse una self. Now so this one, they fight. This one go collect a good year. This one they do this. You want side land grabber. Because of say you want big good name. It's better to kill Satan or that now person I be Satan. It's better to kill that person where be say they bring bad name to many people. Where they bring pain to many people than to go follow such person they play. For you to live with such person, you don't ready to release and give back what is still from people. Now you go feel follow that person they play. Give it back to every other person. Without that, if you leave such people in the detriment of every human being or poor people, or you leave such people, make them continue the day. My brother, these people have nothing good to produce. Underline it. Like Horomi or the chairman or the people they sell land grabbers, they not get good example. They not get anything good where they want to produce. It's impossible. Everything they can produce is going to be criminal, armed robbers, kidnappers, land grabber like that, killers. Now be the only thing where you feel see for their circle. Now be the only thing where they feel produce. Because they always believe on taking from others for them to live. They not get one belief say yes, they themselves can produce anything good can come out of them too. So they believe in turning armed robber, looking for who have to take from them. That is what they believe on. So when you see how it is now today, for their community, they don't sell land finish. What did they do? Now they change to another community. Then they go fight another community. Then they go drive or John where hold people. People where be say supposed to be father, that they chase all of their commot. Or where John where be say they're supposed to honor, respect. Then they destroy that. They don't get respect for nothing. They're ready to sell everything. They sell the land. Sell where be say they're supposed to be collect blessing. They sell everything. Or in the name of say, make person come build 2 flats. 1 bedroom or 2 bedroom or upstairs put. So far they don't collect money. They don't collect money. That is all. They don't care. So such a people, Albert, don't support such a people. Because you remember, I don't so that they listen to me. Tomorrow night big pass, not today. Anything on our feet do to leave good name, make una do one. Wait it be good name, not be this one when they do so now say yes, people they follow me, crowd they follow me. This one know me, the other one know me. No, good name. Anything when no good, when it's bad, is bad. Once it's bad, is bad. Do everything to take away those bad things out of the societies. So that tomorrow, people go see those things and say, yes, now this person do this person do this. So, now be one thing we're not supposed to know. If the apostle truly has ready his mission to humanity, is coming to do the right thing, God is watching and we are watching. People, they watch. So once they change, once they deviate, everybody know what to do next. So, but if you now want to leave good name, now want something good, say tomorrow people will feel say yes, we want to come. If you now come out for any position, people will say yes, this person, we know him, he worth it. If you come go check your own record now, check on our record now, you will see say a lot of errors in many ways. Like how about now, today it go be like this, tomorrow it go be like that. These are things. Now who you be, now you go straight to the world. We don't need the camel today, tomorrow the white, the other day again black. So if you want to be white, just be white. So that people are watching. People like us, we are watching. So now we just they do all these things, they spoil the whole thing for everybody for the Edo State. Goat, you know they bite. But if he start to the bite, I think he go get a CB. So make una not let the whole thing come turn around, because they always a talker. People will not want to react. They love you That make them not they react. It not mean say they don't know what to do. So we know what to do. So make una let peace reign for the state. Make una let peace reign for the state. So all the transporter, market women, toll gate, where Fashola, Minister of Transport, they try to bring. Bona do everything to cancel them. If you want to bring toll gate, all the federal road in Nigeria, they need to fix it. They need to fix it and make it motorable, trailerable, truckable, bulldozerable, that we cannot see any error. Why today, Fulani Hespec, kidnappers, they feel succeed. Now because of say road not good. Because some spot where you want reach is not good. The other spot is not good. So those people, those criminals always use there as a hideout to operate, to execute all their evils. Because of say they know those areas were not good. So I take God back with that. Minister of Transport will not need to gate. It's useless as you just be. So don't even think about it. We don't need it. It's not important now. If we want to implement it, because you people always live on the detriment of the people. So now come abroad, come increase, come cancel dollar, come cancel euro. Today now dollars now that they use for Nigeria, like I say now dollar country now will be. So now spoil everything. They obtain people abroad. Now road now want to enter. Una still enter kidnapping. Today kidnapping now is not a business for now. Now they kidnap people anyhow. Still now not get the remedy. Then they say yes, the new soldier today now, if they do well. If you want to do well, as we know our Nigerian soldier reach. Now 1 second, we're not supposed to hear of terrorists. We're not supposed to hear of a kidnapper. We're not supposed to hear of anything crime. We know our soldier. Because these people, they are benefiting, they are okay with it. So then they do anyhow they like to take please themselves. A country where if we sack 3,000 soldiers, because of say they're not quick come training, sack them, drive the command, soldier we don't train better training. Soldier we better training don't enter their body. We don't go fight a war. We don't go different country, go fight war. Come back in victory. They feel drive the command from their camp. Come out. Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen, where they kill children, they kill human beings, they kill people where not know no sin. They kill people, they come back, they put them inside army. Say they don't repent. Person will be say they not quick come training. You see them as Fulani, as he will never kill anybody, will not they commit any sin. You not fit forgive those people. But Fulani herdsmen where they kill people, they burn houses. They cause problem for the land of Nigeria. Una see they as repentance, forgive them. But why you not forgive soldiers? Where we spend our own money to train. God will help Nigeria. So my people, as I don't tell you now, as that guy for Pekpe, they fight, say yes, he not go allow big truck pass that road. If you do, my do people, the problem what would they get? People where they outside the country. All the cost of where they at those states, where they pass through at those states, then be obstacle. Make una go change them up their commode because they not get what way that they add. I don't tell you now often. If custom did a tinker, they are papa, they clear goods, they give permit to go out. I think those people, they have already done it all. So every other custom you are seeing on the road, there is no way where we say those goods, we see the goods, ammunition, bullets, drugs for a road. If the cost of way they are papa or tinker, they're not corrupt. There's no way such a goods would have crossed. Trailer, they cross. Where it pass, come out. So the government need to go and fix the airport, the seaport itself. Then all these customs need to be chased away from the road. So they are obstacle in any way you can think about it. So God bless the house and God bless the listener. I have passed my messages, which I know God will help you all to do according to the messages. Feast yourself. We need unity. We need peace. Focus your channel on land grabbers, the thieves. If you don't already say yes, you want to begin do things straight, do it well, and leave a good name than say you become an entity to the society. Because I watch Emmanuel Agbogun program talking about Kotisego Saogbo. So I have told you, if Kotisego Saogbo, if you are truly found wanting or doing what that guy said, quit. Immediately. Quit. Quit. We need good name. God bless the house. Bye-bye for now.